Hi friends, hope you are all well. If you are new on our channel, before starting our video, and click the like button and subscribe our channel Tech with Progressiva. And in this video, we learn what is Daraz and Daraz overview because our channel is about technology and Daraz app. So we check we check Daraz overview. Check here, many things are available to buy. You can buy anything from here. Shows are available, glasses, home decorations. Home uses many things, clothes, chargers, mobile stands, AirPods, shoes. Many things are available to buy on the Daraz app. So guys, in this video we'll learn how to buy the trading wooden wall clock for home decoration. You can search this item on search bar and then check all the information about the product. First of all, picture. Its total price is 2083% discount, 349 rupees only. It's available. Here you can see many pictures of the product. And here 90% positive seller rating, 88% ship on time, and a 98% chat response rate. After check all of these informations and reviews, then click on buy now button. When I click on buy now button, here you can see guys, it already detect my home address and my email address. Before confirming your order, please carefully check your home address and your phone number because shipper will contact you on this phone number and ship the order on the same address. Use Daraz coins facility. If you have Daraz coins, you can use Daraz coins to buy this product or promo code. If you have your promo code, you can use that promo code and get discount from Daraz. Item total price for me 349 rupees. Delivery fees 109 for my address. Total payment 458 rupees. Then click on place order button. When I check all the informations, then I click on place order button. When I click on place order button, it will redirect me to on select payment method page. Here you can see guys, many payment methods are available like credit card, debit card, Jazz Cash, Easy Paisa, and HBL bank account cash on delivery. Guys, if you choose cash on delivery payment, cash payment fees of 30 rupees applies only to cash on delivery payment method. There is no extra fee when using other payment methods. But in this video, I want to choose Jazz Cash. So I click on Jazz Cash app. Then you can see pay with your Jazz Cash account. Please make sure you have enough balance in your account and other details. Before putting your number, please read all the instructions and then put your account number and mobile number here. When you put your account number and click on pay now button, the 458 rupees total amount deduct from your account and your order will be confirmed and shipped to you in next 7 to 10 days. Thanks for watching my video. In this video, learn how to buy wall wooden clock for home decoration by using our Jazz Cash app.